Guys, so here we are with another unboxing, or in this case, unlettering, I guess. Unlettering review. I have no idea how to open these because I don't usually do unletterings. If that's a thing. Is that a thing? Oh boy. The glue is pretty strong on this one. The glue is strong with this one. Let's see. Here we go. Turn it around and hooray! Drone cam sticker came in. Awesome. Alright, so now I need to find a vehicle to put this on to glorify this awesome sticker. Anyway, super stoked this came in, as Justin Davis would say, and I'll see you all in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Awesome.
Likey.